been ready. Fail. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Wally's Weld. I'm the Weld Professor. I seen a lot of guys subscribing, and I really appreciate it. I thank you guys for seeing the subscription going up. If you haven't subscribed yet, drop a subscription, guys, and definitely hit the notification bell so that way when I drop these new videos, you're getting notified. Yeah, it's been a minute since I've been on, but here I am, my friends. There is no disappearing me or getting rid of me. Here I am. So I just wanted to go over some things today. We all know, like, the world's crazy, right? There's riots going on. The pandemic was like a hoax to a lot of people, and nobody really wants to take anything serious. Well, you make of it what you want to make of it, right? I'm not here to tell you how to make decisions about life. Upon that, right now, I'm just basically telling you, like, life's crazy. So in the midst of all the craziness, like, you need to basically see your way through the fog, through all the distractions out there in the world, things that are going to hold you down or hold you back. Like, you got to realize how to keep focused and keep going. But despite of the uphill things, let's talk about something else. Now, a lot of people don't know that I was wanting to introduce these Matthew Dearman Ultra Clamps. A lot of people were asking me about these Ultra Clamps. Now, I have one that's smaller than this. Yeah, I think Matthew Dearman makes one a little bit smaller than this, but this one right here is basically a 2 to 6. So for 2-inch pipe all the way up to 6-inch pipe, you can use one of these. They're real good. I really like them. The function on them is real easy. You know, it's to tighten down on the pipe. You know, and then once you get it on the pipe, you can get your fit perfect adjustment with these little adjustment wings here with the nut on them. And I really like this tool. This is a real great tool to have in the arsenal of your army tools that you got, that you're always out there battling with out there in the field that you're working with. So if you got that one, that's a great one. I really like that, and I highly suggest you guys checking them out. If you haven't heard of them, Matthew Dearman has some great products. They make all kinds of wonderful tools. They also make a bigger size one, and I think it even gets bigger than this, but this one says it'll go up from 5-inch pipe all the way up to 12. And again, I wanted to show you, like, you know, it's like really easy access. Yeah, so I just want to show you guys these, and the same thing that comes with the adjustment wings on them, right here, that I really, really like. And so I wanted to bring those in today and show you guys that, because people were asking about the Ultra Clamps, and then Matthew Dearman had these Ultra Clamps come out to me, and so I was just really happy to share them. And if you're looking into them, you can look them up online. I'll leave the link in the bio. That way you guys can hit them up and definitely tell them that I sent you. It's not like I'm getting any kind of kickback or anything, but it's good to know this knowledge. So I'm trying to help you guys be educating some of these tools to use out there. Yeah, that's really all I want to do. I just want to get on here and basically make an appearance, make a presence, show you guys that I love you, that I really, truly am thinking about you. And yeah, even though things happen in this world and sometimes they're out of our hands, it's unfortunate. Like me, I had my phone break, you know, with all kinds of edits and videos I was getting ready to upload. So it's a bummer for me that I have to start over. But you know what? I don't care. I'm not going to let anything slow me down, because that's just what's going to hold me back. So I just got to pick up my momentum and keep going and keep swinging, because that's what's important, right? To all my people out there, stay real. Keep fighting the good fight, man. Pray to God that everything will turn out in your favor for you. Make sure to keep him center focus of your life, because without him, none of this is possible. It's all just a blow in the wind. So don't be just a blow in the wind. Be a solid rock foundation, and stand your ground, guys. I got nothing but love for you guys. I hope you realize that I got a lot of things still coming. We got that giveaway we haven't even announced the winner for, so I'm going to give the giveaway for you guys. I know you guys want it. I know you guys need it. And that's what it is. It's real. We got people coming from all around the United States from the workshop and for the one-on-one sessions. So I just want to give a mad appreciation and thank you guys. I hope you're learning something out here. I hope you're getting the knowledge you want and are seeking from me. If you're not, hit me up. Tell me. These workshops are for me to improve as well too. As a teacher, you know, I'm new to this, so it's just something I'm diving into, and I want to teach everybody out there in the world, if possible, how to tackle this downhill. If you're interested in doing other classes and staying longer, well, then hit me up and we'll negotiate something. We'll work it out for you. I'm all about helping you guys out. It's not about me. I'm already out here. I've already passed the welding test. I've already made the jobs. Now I want to teach you how to obtain those jobs. And it's not hard for me to show you. You just got to show the effort to come out here and get involved with these workshops. You can hit me up on my email. You guys should know how to get a hold of me by now. Wally'sWeldingWorld@gmail.com. It don't stop. That's where it be. Yeah. Man, I shout out to Outlaw for making that wicked hood for me. Nothing but love to Outlaw down there in Texas. You know Texas, I got nothing but love for you guys. I mean, not that I don't got love for everybody else in the world. I got mad love for everybody in the world. But I definitely see the appreciation and participation from Texas. Thank you everyone coming up from Texas for the workshops and the one-on-one sessions. I couldn't do it without you guys. We're all team together. We're all out here pulling for each other. I don't just pull for some of my people. I'm pulling for all of my people. Like I was telling you guys the other day, that I'm looking for the talent now through my workshops and my one-on-one sessions, because if I know that I can teach you it and that you can obtain that knowledge and your skills are up to par, then I can definitely give you a reference to a job to help you out. And if I can help you out, I want to help you out. Real High's Right things now are crazy in the world, so it's just a matter of how we're going to work the system, how we're going to do things. So pay attention and stay tuned. We got more coming down the pipeline for you, like always. I'm out. Peace.